Across the northern tier of the United States, we've got thousands and thousands of what I call shallow water lakes. The philosophy for fishing a shallow water lake, you have to think in terms of small depth changes can be big factors. Let's say you have a sunken island and the middle part of the body of water, the bay that you're fishing, is only 12 feet deep, but that sunken island comes up to 8 feet. So the top of the sunken island is like 8 feet. That's a monster piece of structure on a shallow water lake. Whereas if that was in a real deep water lake, it might not be so important. Okay, so think in terms of small depth changes, and that will help you understand how to break down that shallower lake. So we're looking for sunken islands. We're looking for rock points that extend out into deeper water, but deeper water might only be 15 feet. And so you're going to use your electronics a lot. You're going to scan, go along the shorelines, look for any boulders, look for little gravel patches that stick out into the water. Those are all important things to look for. But the one thing about smallies is they like rock. Okay, they love rock. So that's one thing when I'm looking at a lake like this, I'm going to concentrate on the rock structure. And you might find that they really like one of the ways that you present to them. Maybe they like casting crankbaits, and then you've got a fabulous day on the water because you're going to catch a lot of fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.